seriously, one of the craziest crashes I think I've seen in a long time that's self-inflicted. If you don't know Gerod Steinke, that guy right there, he's riding a 125 two-stroke in the 250 class. The week after, so last week, he just made the main on a 125 two-stroke in the 250 main. Against all the factory boys and everyone else, he did it. And apparently his plans are riding a 250 two-stroke in the 450 class for the east side, however you want to say it. But if you watch the video, which I'm going to put it again in somewhere here, probably right here again, you can see he just grabs his front brake and it just nose bombs into the ground and just launches him over the berm. I mean, like, he's just gone. It's something that is so, like, probably, you do it a billion times. You just grab the front brake and just a little bit too much, and you could just tell it catapults him right over. Just, I mean, if you look right there, he's gone. I mean, right up over the bull turn, whatever you want to call it, the one that didn't have a Mathis net, and it's just gone.